What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. Today we're going to discuss Zippo customer service. I shipped this to them, I don't know, a few weeks ago. Cost me $2.30 or something like that. The hinge was going bad. It would jiggle about a ½ inch back and forth. So I sent it to them. They sent it back to me, fixed the hinge, sent a brand new inner case with it. They also sent back the old inner case. They sent a couple flints. I didn't have to pay return shipping. All I had to pay was the shipping to get it to them. Awesome. I love this lighter. I mean, what's not to love as a guitar player? Of course, I've got a couple other ones too. There's just something about a Zippo lighter. They're super cool. Got another one I wanted to show you. Novelty lighter. Heads, I win. Tails, you lose. And it actually works. You don't get much out of it because the cotton in there ain't much to it. Still a neat little lighter. I mean, how often do you see something like that? I got a coin to match. Heads. Tails. Pretty much exactly the same size as a quarter. It'd be cool to use in the pool room. Every man should carry a pocket knife and fire at all times, in my opinion. Here's a cool little knife. It's an old one. I don't think that's ivory, but I don't know for sure. I just think it's just a cool little knife. I mean, what's not to like about that? It's cute. But I carry this old Smith & Wesson. I keep it real sharp. Great knife. No jiggle. I mean, that thing is stout. Solid as a rock. It's got the interlock system. And I've got several of these. And I always have to modify this. Take it off, bend it so I can put it on my belt, because when you get them, they're way too close to the body of the knife and it won't stay on your belt. So I modify them and tighten them up so it's super tight so I don't lose it. Great knife. It's a hammer. Solid as a rock. It's a pry tool. It's a tuck tool. It's all kinds of tools. It's not just for cutting bread or cutting whatever. But like I said, all men should carry fire and a blade. Even if it's something like this. You should have a frickin' knife on you. Mainly I wanted to talk about customer service of Zippo. Outstanding. I mean, they fixed my lighter for $2.30. And that was just the cost of shipping. They didn't charge me to fix it or nothing. Plus they gave everything, all the old stuff back to me and some flints and a brand new damn case. I mean, and I got this back in the day when Camel was doing C notes. I've also got a pool stick from them. It's actually a pretty good pool stick. I'll show that to you another time. But pretty awesome. Happy New Year. Peace.